Welcome to our video on the top 5 vegetables that can help clear your arteries and prevent heart attacks. Your heart health is crucial, and today we'll introduce you to the green powerhouses that support clean, healthy arteries. In a world full of indulgent foods, it's important to harness the benefits of plant-based nutrition, particularly vegetables, to boost cardiovascular wellness. These vibrant vegetables are not just tasty, they're packed with nutrients that can keep your arteries clear and protect you from the risk of heart attacks. Our arteries are essential for transporting oxygen and nutrients throughout our bodies, but over time, they can become blocked with plaque, cholesterol and fatty deposits that narrow blood vessels and increase the risk of heart complications. Thankfully, nature has provided us with vegetables that act as our heart's best friends. These veggie superheroes are rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and heart-healthy nutrients that work together to keep our arteries smooth and free of blockages. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 vegetables that support artery health, backed by science and research. You'll discover how these veggies can help prevent heart attacks and promote overall heart health. So, if you're ready to take a step toward protecting your heart and keeping your arteries clean, sit back, relax, and join us on this heart-smart journey. Number 5. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are nutritional powerhouses with numerous benefits for heart health. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these vegetables play a vital role in keeping arteries healthy and preventing heart attacks. One of the main benefits of leafy greens is their ability to lower blood pressure, a key risk factor for heart disease. High blood pressure or hypertension puts strain on arteries, leading to damage and plaque buildup. Research shows that a diet rich in leafy greens can help lower blood pressure, promoting better cardiovascular health. Additionally, the antioxidants in leafy greens, such as vitamins C and E, are essential for protecting arteries from inflammation. Inflammation in the arterial walls can lead to atherosclerosis, a condition marked by plaque buildup. Regular consumption of leafy greens can help reduce artery inflammation, supporting overall cardiovascular health. Leafy greens are also an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is crucial for managing cholesterol levels, especially reducing LDL or bad cholesterol. High LDL cholesterol contributes to plaque buildup in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. The soluble fiber in leafy greens binds to cholesterol and bile acids, helping to eliminate them from the body and potentially reducing the risk of arterial blockages and heart attacks. Number 4. Broccoli. This cruciferous gem is more than just a tasty addition to your meals. Broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse that can significantly benefit your heart health. Loaded with essential nutrients, broccoli offers a variety of advantages, particularly when it comes to protecting your heart. One of the standout compounds in broccoli is sulforaphane, a powerful plant-based compound known for its impressive antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Oxidative stress, which occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, can damage cells and arteries, heightening the risk of heart disease. Sulforaphane acts like a superhero, neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing oxidative stress, thereby supporting overall heart health. While inflammation is a natural part of the body's healing process, chronic inflammation can be damaging to your cardiovascular system. It can lead to atherosclerosis and increase the risk of heart attacks. Fortunately, sulforaphane's anti-inflammatory capabilities help control chronic inflammation, offering vital protection to your arteries and helping keep your heart in top shape. Broccoli is also rich in essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. Vitamin C serves as a potent antioxidant, further enhancing the defense against oxidative stress. Vitamin K is crucial for blood clotting, aiding in wound healing and preventing excessive bleeding. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, which is vital for maintaining optimal cardiovascular function. To maximize broccoli's heart-healthy benefits, try incorporating it into your meals regularly. Whether you enjoy it raw in a crisp salad, steamed as a savory side, or blended into a nourishing soup, broccoli is a versatile vegetable that can easily become a staple in your heart-friendly diet. Number 3. Avocado. This creamy and delicious fruit not only pleases your palate, but also provides exceptional nourishment for your cardiovascular system. If you're aiming to enhance heart health and keep your arteries in prime condition, avocados are a top choice. One of the standout benefits of avocados is their high content of monounsaturated fats. These heart-friendly fats act like protectors for your arteries, helping to reduce LDL cholesterol levels. Elevated LDL cholesterol is a key contributor to plaque buildup in the arteries, known as atherosclerosis, which can narrow and harden blood vessels, heightening the risk of heart attacks and strokes. The monounsaturated fats in avocados do more than just lower LDL cholesterol. They also boost HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol that helps remove harmful LDL from your arteries and transports it to the liver for processing and elimination. It's like having a dynamic duo working to keep your arteries clean and clear, reducing the risk of plaque formation and promoting overall heart health. But the benefits don't stop there. Avocados are also packed with potassium, a vital mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is essential for keeping your arteries in good shape and preventing hypertension, a major risk factor for heart disease. Additionally, avocados are rich in fiber, which helps remove excess cholesterol from your bloodstream. Fiber acts like a natural broom, sweeping away cholesterol that could otherwise accumulate in your arteries, supporting a healthier heart. Whether you enjoy it on toast, blended into a smoothie, or simply eaten on its own, incorporating avocados into your diet is a delicious and heart-smart decision. Let this versatile fruit be your partner in achieving a strong and resilient cardiovascular system, all while savoring its rich texture and delightful flavor. Number 2. Tomatoes. These vibrant red gems aren't just a treat for the senses, they're also a blessing for your arteries. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful heart-protective antioxidant that deserves more attention. Lycopene acts like a superhero for your cardiovascular system, defending your arteries from the damaging effects of oxidation. When LDL cholesterol oxidizes, it triggers the formation of plaque in your arteries, which can gradually build up, narrowing the vessels and increasing the risk of heart attacks and other cardiovascular issues. Lycopene steps in as a vigilant protector, preventing this oxidation and thereby reducing the risk of artery clogging, promoting better heart health. But the benefits of tomatoes don't stop there. They are also rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and fiber, which assists in removing cholesterol from your bloodstream. Together, these nutrients work synergistically to keep your arteries clear and your heart happy. And here's a bonus. Your body absorbs lycopene more effectively when tomatoes are cooked or processed. So whether you enjoy fresh tomatoes in a salad or prefer them in a rich tomato sauce, you're still getting all the heart-protecting benefits that lycopene has to offer. Number 1. Bell peppers. The vibrant and stunning bell peppers, nature's colorful jewels, bring more than just a pop of color to our dishes and an artistic touch to our plates. Beneath their brilliant hues lies a heart-healthy secret that can keep our cardiovascular systems in top shape. Bell peppers are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that offers an impressive range of health benefits. Known for its immune-boosting abilities, vitamin C also plays a critical role in maintaining the health of our blood vessels, particularly the delicate arteries that transport oxygen and nutrients throughout our bodies. Keeping these vessels in optimal condition is essential for a healthy heart. Vitamin C serves as a guardian for our heart, protecting blood vessels from the damaging effects of oxidative stress, a harmful process akin to a whirlwind of free radicals wreaking havoc on our arteries. By neutralizing these free radicals, vitamin C helps prevent damage to blood vessels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Every bite of juicy bell peppers provides a dose of this heart-supporting nutrient, bolstering the health of your blood vessels and strengthening your cardiovascular system. Additionally, bell peppers are rich in dietary fiber, which helps regulate cholesterol levels and remove excess cholesterol from the bloodstream. This, in turn, supports clear and healthy arteries, reducing the risk of plaque buildup and heart complications. Whether you enjoy the vibrant red, sunny yellow, zesty orange, or crisp green varieties, each color of bell pepper offers a unique blend of nutrients and heart benefits. So, let's celebrate this colorful veggie by incorporating it into our heart-smart diets. Add them to salads for a crisp and crunchy treat, sauté them for a flavorful side dish, or stuff them with your favorite ingredients. The possibilities are endless, and the heart health benefits are abundant. By embracing bell peppers and other nutrient-rich vegetables, you can support your heart health and keep your arteries free from plaque buildup. Along with regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle, these veggies can significantly lower your risk of heart disease and enhance your overall well-being. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.